off है. All right. Yeah, so some of you had queries, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead, ask.
So that I haven't received the mail of that starting my task to do.
So we had actually defined some projects, right? Minakshi, the short term, the 7th semester projects and all that, right? वो हमने जेसल प्रोफेसर जेसल देसाई को भेजा था, तो वो उस पे यू हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू हैव यू क्लासिफाइड पीपल?
नो सर, किसी का रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आता उस पे.
देखो गाइस, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. When you people came to us, there were basically 3 categories of students, right? Category number 1, people who just wanted to be there for that 6 weeks or whatever. Category number 2 were people who had just come into the 7th semester and would continue the internship in the 7th semester. And then there are a bunch of people who are in the 5th semester, right? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So now what happens is, I need to please understand one thing. जो 15 जुलाई तक थे उनको तो हमने सर्टिफिकेट्स दे दिए. The people who are there for the 7th semester, they will be given certain set of internship projects. They can continue that internship project into the 8th semester also, if you so wish. And the people who are in the 5th semester will be given another set of internship projects which they can continue at their own sweet time in the 6th and 7th semester. Am I very clear till this point?
Yes, sir.
So first and foremost, what we have to do is, एक minute, Minakshi, do you have that Excel sheet that we had given out? 1 minute, I'll just find that. Huh? So just one moment, guys. I need to grab that particular thing. Okay, so I have got a set of students who are in the 5th semester. I have got a set of students who are in the 7th semester. So Meenakshi, what I want you to do is, hello, Meenakshi.
Yes, sir.
So we had 30 students from the 7th semester. We have got 33 students from the 5th semester. Identify. What I want you to do is, पहले तो तू split up कर दे, 5th semester वालों को अलग कर और 7th semester वालों को अलग कर.
Okay.
All right. Now there was 1 minute. I'll just tell you. So there will be, okay. Do you have that right? You know, the project list that we had given to Professor Desai. Do you have that with you?
एक मिनट सर.
Because I had just emailed it out and I'm not able to get it. Meenakshi.
एक मिनट सर, मैं देखती हूँ.
No, I'm not able to find it. I don't know where I kept it. I'll just see here. No, I'm not able to find it. Are you able to find it? Can we talk to Professor Desai? Guys, can we do something? Hello, all of you. Is it okay if we put up an Excel sheet and you people choose what project you want to do? Would that be a good idea, or you want us to help you find the projects?
Sir, I think ma'am already sent us a form that in which project we are interested, and many of us have already filled the form.
Okay, where is that form?
I think Desal ma'am has sent the form.
एक काम करो, मीनाक्षी नहीं, कुछ फॉर्म भरा इन्होंने ऑलरेडी भर दिया है. जस्ट टॉक विद, या तो मैं जैसल देसाई से मैं बात कर लेता हूँ अभी. गाइस, जस्ट वन मोमेंट. आई थिंक there may have been an error, omission on our part also, but let me just talk to Professor Desai.
Sir, we have joined late, so we have not filled up the form.
Huh?
We have joined late, so we haven't filled up that form. So
You have not filled.
Also, how can we decide that which project we are working?
Okay, so all right, I understand. Guys, एक काम करते हैं. We need to clear this out. Let's do something. Give me till today evening. Let me reach out to Professor Desai and also talk to my team. Tomorrow morning, can we retake this con call at around 10 o'clock? Is that good with all of you? And at that time, what we can do is we can start talking with each one of you, one after another, and putting you into projects. Do you think that is a good idea?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Would it, because see, I do not have that complete information with me. So, फिर से बोलो मेरे को. हेलो.
लैब लेक्चर्स है कल.
कितने बजे?
3:30 बाद.
Okay, so you have lectures till 3:30, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
एक काम करते हैं. So what I will do is let me talk to Meenakshi and Professor Desai. Then what I'm going to do is start sending out options to each one of you individually, and then make the groups. Would that be a good idea?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So give me till tomorrow 4 o'clock. तब तक we will put everything in order, and so you people are also clear what is happening, and we will allocate you. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
All right. Okay. So guys, give me till tomorrow, and we will get this all addressed out and sorted out. All right?
Okay.
Yeah, sir. You will text us now what time you will be meeting.
So we will start maybe like 3:45 tomorrow. By 3:45, I'll have all the information in my hands, and we will start. What we can do is we can bring in the 7th semester people, give the projects out to them, and then we will take the 5th semester people and give the projects out to them. Is that good?
Okay, sir.
All right. Let's do that then. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
All right. Okay. Thank you. Bye.